Do you think it is possible to make a DIY Barbie doll face mask? Or have you done a DIY Barbie doll face mask yet? I'm Busy Bee from Germany. I'm a long-time Barbie collector and a Barbie dog for almost 10 years. This channel is more than your one-stop Barbie repair workshop. COVID or Corona is a companion to us for a while now, and the masks are present everywhere in Germany when you go to a restaurant or you go shopping. I know this stuff is annoying, at least from my point of view, but making a doll face mask is very easy. So this video is for my creative DIY viewers or my seamstresses or seamsters among you. You can do this without a sewing machine too, but I think it's looking a little nicer here with my sewing machine. Normally I'm no fan of gluing fabric, but this time I wanted to do some pleats in my mask and I had no other idea how to make quick pleats, but I washed the glue out after the mask was ready for the elastics. The mask template is a rectangle with 2.5 centimeters times 1.5 centimeters. Then I cut the fabric out, not really hard, you will manage it too. Nothing really complicated, I bet you will manage it too. I even want to encourage you, if you would like to do a mask for your Barbie, rewatch this video and follow my instructions. This is the first part of the Corona emergency set for Barbie. Then I sew the ends. You can also do this by hand. It's also very easy, but the difficulty with my machine was that it's so tiny. Bigger pieces of fabric are easier to sew. Small ones can sometimes cause problems due to their size. My sewing machine got problems to grab the folded seam allowance parts here, but hey, that's no problem. You can adjust whatever you like until you like your work, and so keep that in mind when you are sewing. Let's speed this process up a little bit. I bet you don't want to see this in real time. Let me know in the comments if you like the idea to make a mask for a doll or not, or just a creative idea. Alright, so the ends are finished now and we are around once the mask with our seam. Now it's time to finish the masks with the elastics. I admit I wanted to do them in a different way, but at first I had problems to sew them into the mask like the originals are, and then I came out with the solution you see here. The elastics have a length of 5 centimeters and then you do the knots. I use the knots at the end here so that I have a focus point and the mask and the elastic where to sew them together. In the end we get this result here. The only disadvantage I found no solution to is that this mask can only be worn by dolls with earrings at the moment. The earrings serve as a kind of attachment for the mask. I hope you like my little video. You could see how easy it is to make a DIY doll mask. I hope you have learned something in this video. Let me know as a question of the day, how can you get along with Corona? What are your experiences? Is this time easy for you? Is it a problem? Let me know in the comments about your experiences. See you in the next weeks. Your Busy Bee from Germany. Bye!